DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with the most advanced technology in a tiny body and has become the most popular one for both beginner and professional drone users. However, this compact drone has some real issues like signal problem, not having 360 obstacle avoidance, smaller sensor, and balancing issues in wind. And DJI is trying to solve this problem in the upcoming model, while keeping in mind that DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact yet powerful drone. Here are some major leaks of improvements you can expect in Mini 4. The good news is, leaks indicate that DJI Mini 4 is indeed in development, and we can expect it in the first quarter of 2023. So here's what you can expect in DJI Mini 4. Before I talk about design, I can tell you that Mini 4 would fall right between Air 2S and Mini 3 Pro. Now talking about design, there is no denying that DJI skillfully built the Mini 3 Pro, even though it features an entirely new design in comparison to its predecessors. We can hope for increased durability and adjustments to the gimbal protection, but we don't anticipate any design changes from the future tiny drone. It will be challenging to keep it under 250 grams while providing increased durability, as we all know. As a premier drone manufacturer, we believe DJI will manage to fulfill our desire. Additionally, since the drone is lightweight, it is difficult to maintain stability when the wind blows. In that situation, a better built-in gimbal could lessen the shakiness even in a strong wind. Now talking about camera and sensor. A 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with 48 megapixels of image capture capability is another amazing feature we received from the Mini 3 Pro. Although this sensor is bigger than the one in the DJI Air 2S, it still can't compete with it. Even though the DJI Mini 3 Pro sensor isn't perfect, it might be improved to record films that are sharper and more detailed even in low light. Therefore, it is anticipated that the next Mini 4 would contain a 1-inch sensor, just like the Air 2S. There is even more because, as you may already be aware, the Mini 3 Pro can record 4K footage at 60 frames per second, which is actually very standard for all of the most recent high-end drones. Once more, the Air 2S can record video with 5.4K resolution and 30 frames per second. So keeping in mind that Mini 4 would be somewhere between Air 2S and Mini 3, you can expect the 5.4K resolution in the future Mini 4. A minor issue with the DJI Mini 2 Pro's vertical mode is that all intelligent flight modes, such as active track, point of interest, and master shots, become unreachable. We could not anticipate such a thing from a drone of this level. Thus, DJI ought to think about leaving it turned on in the future Mini 4. We want to see 360-degree, 60-degree obstacle detection in the Mini 4 to improve the Mini 3 Pro's tri-directional obstacle sensing, which is not totally trustworthy due to having a significant blind spot to help to protect it from all directions. Turtle mode is just another feature that we sincerely hope to see. Yes, we are aware that saying that is somewhat amusing, but it is actually a fantastic thing to have it. But I am doubtful about it. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you can enjoy up to 47 minutes of exploration while still getting up to 34 minutes of flight time from the Mini 3 Pro. The issue is that the battery makes the drone heavier overall, so it would be quite remarkable if DJI developers could increase battery life without adding to the weight. The Mini 3 Pro from DJI managed to push the Mini series performance even further, making it the greatest compact drone available today. However, there are several things we would want to see in the Mini 4, the company's future drone. Having a bigger sensor, full-circle optical avoidance increases battery life and longevity, and more stability in Mini 4 is expected. So let us know in the comment area below what features you would like to see in the next DJI Mini 4 drone. If you found the video to be useful, We appreciate you watching it and sharing it with your friends. If you would like to receive more videos like this in your feed, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. And we will see you in the next one.